Right, so the next Apple Watch Series 8 might get yet another life-saving feature, so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so according to the Wall Street Journal, Apple plans to give us a crash detection feature on the Apple Watch and the iPhone that automatically dials 911 when you're in a car crash. Now, some of you guys might be wondering how this is detected, and basically, according to the report, the watch measures a sudden spike in gravity. And I'm assuming as soon as the watch recognizes this, it automatically calls 911, and it will likely give you the option to cancel this call if, of course, the impact is pretty minimal and you don't need any emergency services. Now, allegedly, Apple's already been testing this anonymously with existing devices, and while they claim there's been more than 10 million suspected vehicle impacts, of which more than 50,000 included a call to 911. And while basically Apple's doing this testing right now because the 911 call data helps improve the accuracy of the algorithm Apple's using to, of course, determine if a user is in a crash. So yeah, on the whole, this sounds very similar to the fraud detection feature we have right now on the Apple Watch. Now, the Wall Street Journal believes we'll see this in 2022, so of course, we could either see it with the new hardware, the iPhone 14 and the Apple Watch Series 8, or of course Apple could announce this at WWDC alongside the release of watchOS 9 and iOS 16. Now, in my opinion, I do see Apple introducing this feature alongside the new Apple Watch Series 8 because if I recall correctly, Apple did announce the fraud detection feature alongside the Series 4, so I do think Apple's going to go ahead and flex this pretty massive feature alongside the release of the new Apple Watch and of course the release of the new iPhone. But eventually I'm sure this tech will come down to older Apple Watch models and older iPhones as well. Now, the Wall Street Journal also says there is an equal chance this feature could be cancelled, but to be honest, since this feature could save lives and is also being tested as we speak, I think the chances of it materializing are very, very high. And to be honest, every car in Europe from 2020 onwards has this feature as standard, so the tech is not new and so there should not be any hurdles giving us this feature on the Apple Watch. So yeah, pretty cool feature. I do welcome Apple giving us, and I do hope Apple continues giving us these pretty life-saving features. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the code above on details regarding the M2 iPad Pro, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.